So we'll take a look at the cook system that I use currently. You know, I have the tripod that I still like to use, but this one is more specific for the grill. Really enjoy that. You can put a small Bushcraft grill on here, so you can grill your hot dogs, stuff like that. Seems to lock in really well. And I'll do a review on that little tiny grill. Great for hot dogs. This holds your skillet, and amazingly well. I'll add in a picture and show you guys that. Pathfinder skillet works on there very well without an issue. This will hold your anything with a bail to it. So like a Pathfinder and the fish mouth spreader works really well on that. You've also got little ridges here, all down through here. And so you can move your pots back and forth. You could add in extra pots. And the way that this actually works is the weight of this right here locks this in. It pulls on that side just a hair, locks it in. And all you got to do to move that is you can take a stick, like a Y branch, or one with a notch, and you swings it over any way that you need it. Now, if you need to adjust it, I would suggest a good barbecue glove, and you just lift up a little bit, and you'll be able to adjust that up or down. I carry a good barbecue glove with me, and that is definitely a lifesaver. Now, the creator of this, and I'll put a link down in the description, because I got this off the SD app, and comes all the way from UK. So you basically put this down in the ground, down to here, and it's got a nice little stop feature to it. You know, it's a little fatter here, so you know how far to stick it down the ground. Because this section and this section are two pieces, and I'll show you guys that. Kind of a closer look, so you can see the craftsmanship to it. There's the little ridges I was telling you guys about. And as you can see, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's not an issue. And we'll guys go ahead and show you that. It's kind of like a blanket pen design. Works extremely well. You got a little tip up here, so you can take a small stick and just knock it down in there if you needed to. Pulls right out, and of course this would pull out of the ground. All together, guys, this weighs about as much as my Mora axe, maybe a little bit more, by a pound or so. Well worth the setup. For you guys running the Matilda backpack, or any type of molly, you can kind of, with this being a hook, you can weave it through the molly, or you can run some quarters through there and a carabiner. These two pieces here, the long pieces, are going to be about between 18 and 20 inches long. They don't have any major sharp ends except for the piece down here. So, but you could come up with some type of cap, a glue cap or something like that, and put over that, you know, to protect your backpack. But definitely something worth getting into. Like I said, I'll put the links down in the description below where you can get your own, and to the guy's shop on Etsy. So like, share, subscribe as always, guys. Leave a comment down below, and have a good day. So right now we just breaking in everything. So my little pot holder here, it's adjustable here with the crane. Woohoo! If you don't get it burnt. So we can do that, and it's adjustable. It also adjusts up and down as well. Got the coals down there good and hot. My coffee's over cooling. I got two little sausage patties in here. Frying up, doing well. So I will bring you all back when I'm done eating. Till then, like, share, and subscribe. As always, have a good one, guys.